Hi guys, good morning. This is your chef Prakkash. How are you all? And today I am going to talk about varicose veins. Lot of peoples can affected by the varicose veins nowadays. Someone don't know the reason why it's happening. Some people don't know the name also. What is varicose? It's the varicose veins will occur on your leg and your feet. It's give you a much pain. Why this will happens? There is a two kind of reason for the varicose vein. The person, those who sit and walk more than 10 hours, for example, IT field or some government official workers, they are maximum sit more than 8 to 9 hours and walk. They are also affected by varicose. The another one, the person, those who are standing and working more than 10 hours or 11 hours like that. For example, we are we are chefs. We are working more than 12 hours, 13 hours per day. It will affect lot of chefs. Even I heard from my friend, someone he is in the Kuwait, and one person he is in Chennai. The both peoples are very close to me, but that time I don't know what is varicose. But after I read about it, it is a very painful. So it will affect two kinds of people: those who are sit and walk, and always standing more than 10 hours. That peoples also get affected by the varicose. If you affected by varicose veins, you have to do the compulsory exercise. It should be a swimming, jogging, cycling is very important, and yoga. These are the four exercises can be prescribed by the doctors. If you have varicose, you have to do this exercise regularly. And what about the food? You have to reduce the red meat, for example, beef, pork, whatever it is. You have to avoid that. If you take more fat content, it is also affected your nerves. So if you have varicose veins issues, please avoid the beef and pork, whatever the red meat. Take broccoli, all green leafy vegetables. Avoid the potato. Eat more carrots and eat all kinds of nuts, almond, cashew nut, whatever it is. You can add in your diet. There is only two remedies for this. You have to do the proper exercise daily and take a balanced diet, avoid the red meat, and take more vegetables and nuts. If you follow this one, you will get relief from that varicose. If you go to the doctor, they will advise to do the operation. Please never do that. Please try to do the home remedy. It will be good for you. And stop the English medicine. Try this exercise regularly. change your food habits, it will be slowly reduce. So this is the today message to you all. Hope it is very useful. Kindly follow this method. If your friends or somebody have this issue, share this message to them, and maybe it will helpful for their health. Hope this video is very useful for you. Kindly like, share and comment. Thank you so much. Have a good day.